Good everyone, you are welcome to Lexington Unique Academy. Alright. So in today's class I'll be treating on the topic sort. Alright? Yeah. Fine. So what are sort? Okay. You see that they are roots of a rational number whose value are what? Irrational. Are we together now? Recall again. They are what? Root of a rational number whose value are what? Irrational. Okay, or you can say again, okay, they are root which cannot be rational number. Okay, they are what? Root which cannot be what? Rational number. And again, is that they are either a recurring decimal, a terminating decimal, or a whole number as well. Yeah, they can come in form with that. Are we together? Yeah, and also you have to know this that all roots are not sort, but all sorts are roots. Are we together now? Yeah. So we're going to talk about simplification of sort. Yeah. Simplification. Simplification of sort. Correct. Are we there? Now, okay, for a sort to be simplified, are we together? Yeah. So that the values under the square root, okay, are we together? The value under the square root will be expressed in the product of what? Two factor such that one number, one of them must be a what? A perfect square. I recall again. For sort to be simplified, are we together? The numbers under the square root, okay, must be expressed in the product of what? Two factors such that one must be a perfect square. Okay, you know what perfect square is all about now? Okay, take for instance, perfect square, example of perfect square is 4, because square root of 4 is what? 2. Are we together? Again is 9. Alright, square root of 9 will give you 3. Are we together? Again is what? 16. Square root of 16 you have what? 4. Are we there? So these are what? Perfect square. Again, if you have 25 now, square root of 25 is what? 5. So these numbers here are what? Perfect square. Are we together now? Yeah. So now I'm going to solve some problems. Okay. Are we together? So let's solve some problems there. Alright. We have are we there? Examples. We are asked to do what? Let's say one. Alright. Simplify. Simplify. Are we together now? Alright. A. Let's say root 45. Okay. B. Root 162. All right, are we together? Say C, root 8. All right. D, let's say have a root 98. Okay, let's make it E. All right, let's make it E. That's root what? S square Y. Are we together now? So let's solve the problem there. So here now, let's start with A. We have what? Root 45. Are we together? So now this equals to what? Now ask yourself now, two numbers. What are two numbers that you multiply? Okay, that will give you what? 45. That one must be what? A perfect square. Okay, are we there? So here now, the number there is what? 9 and 5. Are we together? 9 is a perfect square because square root of 9 is what? 3. Are we together? So what do you say? You take the square root of what? The two numbers, 9 times 5. Are we together now? So we say this is equals to, you take the square root of them differently. You take the square root differently. Are we together? So we have root 9 times root 5. Are we together? So this equals to root 9. That is square root of 9 is what? 3 times. Okay, this now is what? Irrational number. So we don't express now. It's not a perfect square. Are we together? 3 times what? Root 5. So this is equals to 3 times root 5. We have what? 3 root 5. That's the answer for A. Are we there? So let's go for number letter B. We have what there? Root 162. Are we together? So what do you do now? You ask yourself two numbers. Okay, you put in two numbers. Okay, that multiply. That will give us what? 162. Such that one of the factor must be a perfect square. Are we together now? So this is equals to what? You say root what? What number? Yeah. Okay. Number here that will give us is what? 81 and 2. Are we together? Because 81 times 2 give us what? 162. And meanwhile, 81 is what? A perfect square, because square root of 81 is what? 9. Are we there? So we put in there, we have 81 times 2. Okay. So which is equals to, we take the sort of each number, they're different separately. We have root what? 81 times root 2. Are we together? So this is equals to root 81. We have 9 times root 2, because this is what? Imperfect square, not what? A perfect square. Are we there? So what do we do? So this is equals to 9 times root 2, have 9 root 2. That's the answer. Are we together? Yeah. So going for the other one, the letter C. This one is very simple. So I have to stop this one and send the answer in the comment section. Are we together? So what we have now, root 8 equals to, so what do we do now? Two numbers that we multiply that will give us 8. What is the perfect square? Okay, are we there? It's 4 times what? 2. Correct. So say root 4 times 2. Are we there? So this is something as what? You separate them now. You take the root separately. Root 4 times root 2. Okay, so which is equals to what? Root 4 we have what? 2. That is square root of 4 is 2 times what? Root 2. So which is equals to 2 times root 2 have what? 2 root 2. Alright? Are we together? Yeah. So let's go for the letter D. We have what there? Root 98. Are we together? So here we have say that root 98 now equals to, so what are the two numbers? You check now. Two numbers. Alright, so two numbers there here is 49 and 2. Because 49 times 2 give us what? 48. Why did I say 49? 49 is a perfect square. Because square root of 49 is what? 7. So we put in there, we say this implies what? Root what? 49 times 2. Alright, equals to, separate now, root 49 times root 2. Okay, so this equals to root 49 have what? 7. Are we there? Times root what? 2. Okay, so which is equals to what? Have 7 root 2. Very simple. Are we there? This is simplification of God. Are we together? Yeah. So let's take the last one. That's E. Okay, so this one is involving variable. Okay, so I wanted you to solve this one, but let me solve this one. Are we together? So what do we do now? So this implies we have what? Root s squared y. Are we together now? Are we there? So what do we do now? Let's take what? The roots different, is not root separately. So we say this is what? Root s squared times root what? Y, which is equals to, now root, the square root of a number or any variable bearing power becomes that number. I recall again, the root of any number, are we together, raised to power 2 becomes that number. We take for instance now, if here now, are we together, let's say it. So here now, the square root of this value here, variable x squared is what? X. Are we together now? Good. So times what? Root what? Y. So this is equal to s times root y have what? S root what? Y. Thank you. Yeah. Comment and touch the plus and also what? Like my video and on YouTube. Thank you.